Hi friends, I am inside my Google search console and here I will check that all of my files are indexed inside the search console or not. Let's check first one. Basically this article is the previous one and yes, this is indexed now. And this article, no, this article is not indexed yet. So what are the reasons Google is not indexing my article or your article inside the Google Search Console? There are few reasons. This article what Google is not indexed yet. It is I have posted around 3 days back. It is not indexed yet, but the article what is indexed or already indexed, this I have inputted or I have published this article in my website only yesterday, and that is the article is indexed. What are the reasons that the latest article is not is indexed, the previous article is not indexed yet? There are few reasons behind. Mr. John Muller, the webmaster trend analyst, you may heard the name, he said there is no guarantee that Google will index any particular page. There is no such guarantee. And if we ask the question that how long does it actually takes to get indexed, and he said it can take several hours or even several weeks. And I really don't understand that what does the several weeks means. Several weeks means 2 weeks or it's 20 weeks, I really don't know. But there are 3 steps inside whenever we publish an article inside our website. The first step is crawl. Google will crawl first your article and then it will index, then only it will rank. And if your article or my article is not indexed inside the search console, it will never appear in the Google or it will never rank in the search engines. So some of the reasons is there we must keep in mind after submitting the articles or before submitting the articles. By creating the creation time of the articles, we must keep in mind this point, that what are the reasons that Google is not indexing our content. The first reason is orphaned pages. Orphaned pages means the pages what are basically not anywhere inside your website. You have written some content and that is for your own purposes and you have not linked to any other articles or it is not appearing in the menu section or anywhere. Google will not index your article, and that is no matter for you, because if you have not mentioned anywhere, that is for your reason only, that's your purpose only, own personal purpose only, then if it is not indexed inside the Google, that is no matter. The next is slow hosting service provider. If sometimes we purchase a slow hosting service provider and Google crawl the total pages, total website, that which website is updated, which pages is updated, and what are the pages and what are the blog posted is newly published, and Google all crawl full websites, and at the same time, if the website is not working properly because of the hosting service provider, Google may not index your article. This is the second reason, the poor hosting service provider. So make sure you take a good hosting service provider while starting a new website. The next one is robots.txt file. Robots.txt file is a file what you will find inside your cPanel. In the file manager section you will find that file. Here it is, robots.txt. Make sure this file exists in your case also, and inside that file you will find that crawl delay time and allow your sitemap. If your inside your robots.txt file your sitemap is not mentioned there, or the crawl delay time is not very much important. The delay time is whenever Google is come to your website, it will take 20 seconds. This is the time mentioned to delay for that website. And that that sitemap that must be there. This is very much important, but by default this sitemap is there inside your robots.txt file, but this is important for any website. So check once that robots.txt files is there in the inside cpanel or not. And the next few things, that if I come to my website here inside my website, and there is, you come to setting reading section, and there is a box that discourages search engines from indexing the site. If accidentally you choose this, check this box on, so on that case none of your posts or pages will be indexed inside Google. This is, you keep in mind, never check this box whenever by accidentally, whenever you choose this page, none of your pages or posts will be appear or will indexed inside the Google search console. The next one is your, if you are using any kind of like SEO plugins, like if you are using Yoast plugin, I'm telling, I am showing you in the inside the Yoast plugin, you come to the advanced section. There is the portion here, allow search engines to show this post in the search results. You by accidentally if you choose no, so on that case your that particular post will not index inside the search console. So keep in mind, you never put no here inside your plugin. And if you are using not using Yoast plugin, you may use that rank math plugin. So on that case you come to the advanced section, and here you must check the index, this index section. If accidentally if you chose that no index, and your particular that page or that blog post will not index in the inside the search console. So if you want that some of the pages, if you don't want that to be indexed inside the Google search console, on that case you must check this no index box. So these are the things you must keep in mind whenever you are writing your blog post or any other, you are creating any other pages. The next one is SEO plugin, Yoast rank math. Yes. And the last one, which is very important, that is content does not fit as such. That means your quality of the content is low. That means you, whatever the written content, if Google think that this content is not valuable for anyone, or it's not indexed, or it's not properly structured, or is not a quality one, and the information, whatever the information you have provided inside your content is not enough, so on that case Google may not index your article. And the next one is too smaller content with too similar content with other content on the website. Your content is too similar with the other content inside the other website, so it may not indexed by the search console. And the tiny content, that means if you have written a content of 200 words, 300 words like that, so on that case it will be considered as a tiny content and Google may not index it. But if you can say that I have written a long content with all of the informations, and you have given all such things, all keywords as you have done, and everything you have included, and that content is a new content and is not matching with any other content inside that Google. So on that case Google, and your content may not indexed inside Google. So that is the reason behind your website may be a new one. That is my personal experience that I have seen. If it is a new website, so on that case Google crawl very short period of time, it's not crawl frequently in your website. So on that case Google may take time, or sometimes it takes too much, 2 weeks 3 weeks to index your article. This is not, may not index your article fast. So these are the reasons that your articles is not indexing inside the search console. So if you like this video, definitely hit the like button, also subscribe my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification, because whenever I publish a new video, you will get notified instantly. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.